Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are the third group of group discussion mathematics from practicum K4 MS10. Let me introduce myself and my groupmates. My name is Nia Zulaikha and I am the leader of this group. My groupmates are Syazwina, Sofea and Athirah. Now we are going to present question 3. We are going to discuss question chapter 5 function and graph.
So, here are the members of the group which are responsible in order to complete the group assignment task.
Hi, I am Siti Nur Athirah and I am going to present question A task 3.
Consider functions of fx equal to x minus 2 square plus 1 for x greater than 2 and gx equal ln x plus 1 for x greater than 0. For question A, find f inverse and g inverse and state the domain and range for each of the inverse function. So for the first step, we are going to let f inverse equal to x. F inverse x minus 2 square plus 1 equal to x, and then f inverse minus 2 square equal to x minus 1, and then f inverse equal to 2 plus minus square root x minus 1. Since r inverse equal to domain equal to 2 positive infinity, thus f inverse is going to be 2 plus square root x minus 1. For g inverse, we are going to let g inverse equal to x, and then ln g inverse plus 1 equal to x. Ln, we are going to move to the right side, and it's going to be g inverse plus 1 equal to e exponent powers of x, and then g inverse equal to e exponents of x minus 1. So the domains of inverse equal to the range is equal to 0 positive infinity, and the range of inverse equal to domain is equal to 0 positive infinity.
Question B. Sketch the graph of fx and the inverse of fx on the same coordinate axis. First, we can sketch the graph of fx. Since fx equation is a quadratic equation in a standard form, first we need to identify its shape by comparing the equation with standard form. Since by comparing that, we know that the value of a is positive, which is bigger than 0. So we know that the shape of the graph is pointing downwards and opens upward. Then we can identify its y-intersect and x-intersect. For y-intersect, when x is 0, the value of y is 5. In x-intersect, when y is 0, x has no intersect, since when we calculate it, we will get imaginary number. So the graph will be hanging with no x-intersect. We can find the minimum point by comparing the equation again with the standard form of quadratic equation. So we will know the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. Then we can sketch the graph. But since the limit of the graph is x is bigger than 2, so we need to draw only when the graph is after 2. Now we need to sketch the graph of inverse of fx. First, the shape of the graph. Since from the equation of inverse of fx, where x is in positive value, y is also in positive value, so the shape of the graph must be in a quadrant 1. After that, we can find a symmetric point from the equation, so x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Third step, need to find is y-intersect and x-intersect. So when x is 0, y has no intersect. When y is 0, x also has no intersect. Then we can sketch the graph of the inverse of fx as shown. Now we have sketched the graph of fx and its inverse. Now we need to combine these two graphs in the same coordinate axis. So combine these two graphs to get the final answer for question B.
For your information, we have already did our discussions through Google Meet.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.